Hey guys, as you may know from the title, I finally moved into a one-bedroom apartment and I'm so excited and I'm so happy, and I just want to take you guys along the journey, starting with me moving in. But before I do that, I'd like to show you guys the empty apartment tour. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys around the place, and yeah, hopefully within this video you'll see the process of me at least moving in, and I probably will show some parts of me decorating. But without further ado, let me show you my new home. Okay, so I'll start here in the entrance. This is the front door. This is where you walk in. And then if I turn this way, you can see pretty much what I see when I walk in. So starting here to the right is the kitchen. I have a decent amount of cabinet space in here. A couple more lights and stuff over here. Dishwasher. Nice little sink. Did come with an electric stove. I do prefer gas, but this definitely will do. And then a nice refrigerator. Some things I did kind of move in, which you all will see in a second. But yeah, this is the kitchen. We move away from the kitchen and look to our left, this is where we have a couple doors. This is just like an entryway closet. Like I said, I do have some things in here, but nice little closet space. I probably will hang some coats or probably use it for like cleaning supplies, which I also already bought. But yeah, so this is just like a little bit of storage in there. And then this door is my laundry room, which I barely could open the door because I have more stuff here. So but I do have a stackable washer and dryer, and then in the corner over there is just like the water heater. I could use this room for storage as well, just a little bit. I probably will put some cleaning stuff in here as well, and of course like my laundry essentials. Okay, so stepping away from there, we're back to the front. I have my living room. I love that I have little counter space for bar stools, because it has a little bit of a deep curve, so that's great. I do have central air. And if we come over here, this is my patio, my balcony here. I'm not gonna show it right now because it's like really dark, so. I'll show you the last parts of the place. So I'll start with this door here. This is another closet. It is, I believe, like a linen closet. Obviously, put your towels and all your little essentials in here, which is really nice. And then to the right, I do have my bedroom. As you can see, it is carpeted, but it basically is just a room. Decent space. I know I could fit, my bed obviously in here, and hopefully a couple of nightstands and dressers. And to this way, I do have my closet, which has an automatic light. So once you step in, that's when the light will turn on, I believe. There we go. That's when the light turns on. Up here, I did want to note that I really like that this apartment has high ceilings. I believe they're like 9-foot ceilings or something like that, but I appreciate that because I can kind of like store a lot of things up there. But yeah, this is basically the closet. I think it'll do for now. It's definitely bigger than the closet that I have back at home, so I'm not complaining, but I definitely will try to figure out, oh, the light went off. Yeah, I'll try to figure out like what type of organization I want to do in here for sure. But yeah, that is the bedroom closet. Stepping right out of my bedroom, I have my bathroom, which is probably like my favorite part. So I love the vanity, or the, I don't know what this is called, but I really like the fact that it has drawers and cabinets, because I can make use of all of these things with like maybe like my everyday, whether it be skincare, hair care, toothbrush and stuff, or you know, I could utilize the top and the under parts, which I love. It has a really big and bright light and mirror. To the right, we have the toilet, obviously, and then a bathtub. And I really love that it has a light fixture. Like, you see how high these ceilings are? Like, oh my gosh. But you see this light fixture I really like, because then I can just, you know, turn off this one and it's like a whole vibe in here, which I really like. So yeah, again, probably like my favorite part. But yeah, this is the bathroom. Guys, that basically wraps up my empty apartment tour. I will be sure to keep you guys in the loop with the future of me in this home, in this space. Thank you all for tuning in, and let me know in the comments anything you want to see that pertains to me moving. If you guys want to see vlogs, if you guys want to see like decor videos, if you want to see all of them, or just give me ideas in general. And also let me know what you think about my new apartment or whatever, because like I love it, so I hope you do too. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna, you know, get to it. But thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.